The ministry of reconciliation needs your time, talent, and needs your treasure. Mark Zuckerberg, right? That guy was being used by God. He doesn't know. And then Instagram has blown up. Then they did Snapchat and WhatsApp. What else? Discord, Twitch, Thread. Some of you haven't even heard of Discord. Some of you haven't heard of Twitch. Pastor Larry, have you heard of Twitch? Pastor Larry. Pastor Larry is still on MySpace. People. Listen, the number of people on social media platforms is mind-boggling. My father is 80. His friends are on Facebook. Those are the older people. My father is on IG. He might even be on TikTok. I don't know. But let me tell you the people that are the most on those platforms. Young people. You know, we keep saying young people are leaving the church. And they are. But we know where they are. They're on social media. They're on TikTok. They're on Snapchat. Not on MySpace. But they're on Instagram. They're on Twitter. They're on Twitch. And they spend more time there than you can imagine. So where should we go and meet them? There. Because they need to hear the message. It is not fair if they don't hear the message.